Hello and welcome all of you to Easy Electrical. Today at Easy Electrical, we are very proud that we are able to launch a rapid revision course for the SSC JE as well as Railways JE and other state SSC JE and those AE level examinations as well. So this is basically a rapid revision course. Just be with me और आप हमारे साथ सुनते रहिए कि इस कोर्स में क्या है और आपके लिए व्हाट ऑल आर द एडवांटेजेस. नाउ कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज इसमें हमने जो कोशिश किया है उसमें मेनली टेक्निकल और नॉन टेक्निकल बोथ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स विल बी टेकन केयर. ओके, सो यू कैन सी हियर दैट इट इज रिटन that for SSC JE technical portion as well as for non-technical portion, both separately will be covered in the rapid revision series. Now, who are your educators? Myself and Nivedita madam will be there, who will be guiding you throughout this course, and whatever informations or whatever discussions you will be taking care will be directly done by me and ma'am. तो हमारे कोर्स का फीचर्स क्या है? सो एज इट इज़ अ रैपिड रिविजन कोर्स एंड दिस इज बेसिकली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर हाईली डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड्स प्रिपरेशन एंड दोज हु डू नॉट वांट टू वेस्ट एनी टाइम इन सपोज लर्निंग दिस थिंग एंड दैट थिंग, जिसमें उनका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. तो ऐसा चीज़ों को हमने अवॉइड किया है और एक ऐसा कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया है जिसमें आपको टू बी स्पेसिफिक SSC JE रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ही मिलेंगे. और इसी को नज़र रखते हुए हमने ऐसा कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया है जिसमें आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा एक मिनट देख लीजिए. इसमें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल बी गेटिंग 3 months ऑफ कोर्स एक्टिवेशन. ईच डे देयर विल बी 10 questions सेंड टू यू. ओके, 10 questions ईच डे इट विल बी सेंड टू यू फॉर योर सॉल्यूशन. यू नीड टू मेक द सॉल्यूशन. हम क्या करेंगे? एवरी डे विल बी मेकिंग द वीडियो सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी question. And it will be uploaded to YouTube, and the format of the YouTube upload will be private mode. The videos will be kept in a private mode. Now there will be around 1000 questions, total 1000 questions. How it comes out, I will just give you an idea. There will be 90 days, and in 90 days you will be getting 10 days, 10 questions each per day. So you will be getting a 900 questions. Another 100 questions for full length test will be given. One full length test will be added, then that you can answer. Now, what are our goals? What we are targeting through this? First of all, we need proper questions for practice. Okay, so proper question selections has to be done, and many of the students find difficult that what questions should we study and how should we go about. Now, those of you who are just starting their preparations, or those of whoever crossed suppose 1 year or 2 year of preparation has already done, in their case this will be very much useful. Then time management. In SSC JE what happens is there are 200 questions and we need to answer it in 2 hours. So if you find out that there will be only 45 seconds for each question, so we'll have to be very careful while choosing the question and while answering the question as well. And हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? वैसा ही क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट करेंगे जैसे SSC JE लेवल में, AE लेवल में और RRB JE में आता है. द सक्सेस मंत्रा. द सक्सेस मंत्रा इज बेसिकली डेली रिविजन. विदाउट रिविजन you will not be able to crack any examination. So this rapid revision course will ultimately help you in giving that practice every day, each and every day, by which you can learn different concepts every day. Okay. Now, what are the important points you need to keep in mind? First of all, this is a everyday preparation package. Those of you who are serious, who wish to crack SSC JE examination, जिनको क्रैक करना है एग्जामिनेशन, उन्हीं के लिए है ये सिर्फ. So either the questions will be provided via PPT or PDF mode. In the PPT and PDF mode, how it will be shared, I will be coming to that point. Next is answer key will be given by every evening. Every evening you will be getting the answers. And video solutions to be uploaded on the same day. Every day there will be video solutions uploaded on the 10 questions that are there. Now, all the informations will be shared via common WhatsApp group. As you register to the course, then a WhatsApp group will be created, and that WhatsApp group, in that WhatsApp group, will be sending these practice questions. These practice questions or 10 questions will be sending each and every day, and that in that group only will be sharing the video link in the private mode. Okay, so how it will be done, I'll be giving a small example. So यहाँ पे देखिए आपको क्या करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू रजिस्टर. रजिस्ट्रेशन बिगिंस टुडे. ओके, रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा जो यूट्यूब का कमेंट सेक्शन है, जब आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाओगे वहाँ पे आपको एक लिंक मिलेगा गूगल फॉर्म का. तो यू जस्ट नीड टू फिल अप दैट गूगल फॉर्म लिंक, and from that Google form link we'll be getting the idea of how many students are appearing or who is appearing. After that, if suppose your course is confirmed, in that case there will be a call from this number, particularly this number, there will be a call. Okay, so after this call you will be added to a WhatsApp group, and for that you need to pay a small amount of registration fees. The amount I'll be coming you in small time. One important fact is that this is a 3 months course, and in these 3 months we need to cover around 1000 questions, trying to cover around 1000 questions, and the limit that we have standardized is that we'll be taking care only 10,000 students, not more than that. That batch will be closed. No further admissions will be allowed after that 10,000 students. Now coming to the next part, the most important part, this is the fees. Now as you can see here, we have carefully crafted 1000 questions with video solutions we will be giving you, and the fees kept here is for all students, that is rupees 10. At just the fees of rupees 10 you can avail this 1000 questions plus its video solution. Okay, so this is separately for technical, and separate registrations will be done for the non-technical. If you go in the सेक्शन जहाँ पे हमारा जो गूगल फॉर्म लिंक है, वहाँ पे आपको दोनों ऑप्शन ही मिलेगा. दैट इज यू विल बी गेटिंग द ऑप्शंस फॉर दी बोथ टेक्निकल पार्ट एज वेल एज नॉन टेक्निकल पार्ट. यू नीड टू फिल इट 2 times. आपको दोनों ही बार के लिए आपको फिलअप करना होगा फॉर टेक्निकल एज वेल एज नॉन टेक्निकल सेपरेटली. ओके, और उसके बाद आपको कैसे ये 10 रुपये पेमेंट करना है, और पेमेंट रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी शेयर्ड विथ यू after filling up the G form. After you fill the Google form, every payment details will be shared with you. Now if you have any other questions, you can directly call us in this number 8335067725. You can call in this number, you can ask any doubt, or you just Google form it. There will be an option for any comments. You can write your comments there also. So thank you for listening to this video and staying up to this point. So what we have tried, हमने क्या कोशिश किया है इसके थ्रू, that is many students are there who wish to join a revision series, that is selected questions, selected time, and a video solution of each and every questions. So in the technical part, what all you have seen, we'll be taking care first of all the electrical as well. Only electrical students are for the technical parts are accepted first of all. And in that case, all the SSC JEE questions, related questions will be added in the series, and you'll be giving the answers as well as the video solutions as well. Now the non-technical part, you all know, इसके अंदर क्या क्या रहता है. जनरल इंटेलिजेंस वाला पार्ट रहता है और GS वाला पार्ट रहता है. तो दोनों पार्ट से ही हमारा क्वेश्चन जो है SSC JEE का जो सिलेबस रहेगा उसी हिसाब से आपको उसमें मिल जाएगा. So for registration only, if you want to register for technical part, just fill the Google form, fill the G form, okay, and after that there will be a call, and you will have to pay rupees 10 for the registration. That's it. You don't have to pay any other fees. Separately for technical 10 rupees, separately for technical non-technical 10 rupees. Now coming to the most important point, you have to keep in mind there is a contact number, this number 5067725. Only via this number the registrations will be done. No other member or no other person pretending to be Easy Electrical will not be. You cannot accept that as an Easy Electrical number. This is the only number through which we will be calling. Okay, so for clarity, you just note the number, and as you wish to join this course, just fill the Google form and you will be contacted very soon. Thank you for staying up to this point. Have a great day. Thank you.